Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure the IEC-1051 server on the Advantech ECU-1051 IoT Gateway using EdgeLink Studio. IEC-1004 is widely used in SCADA and substations for real-time, reliable communications with control centers. Let's get started. First, open EdgeLink Studio on your PC. Ensure your ECU-1051 is powered and connected to the same network as your PC via Ethernet. Click the Search button to discover your ECU-1051 device on the network. Once it appears in the device list, add it to a new or existing project in EdgeLink Studio. For that, I open an existing project. Find the Data Service section. Then click on IEC-1004 Server. Here, check the box to enable the IEC-1004 server on your device. The user can choose to enable or not enable the channel. The channel enabled in the channel state is a green background and not enabled is a white background. We can enable maximum 4 channels given in the dashboard. We have to save each channel after enabling it. The default is 2404, and each channel needs to have a different port number. In advanced setting, we have to see T0, timeout of connection establishment, which is not editable. T1 is the timeout of sending or testing APDU, also not editable. T2 is a timeout that is confirmed when no data message is received, T2, T1. T3 is the timeout of sending test frame in long idle state. K is the maximum difference between the sending status variable and the received sequence number. W is the acknowledgement is given after receiving the APD of the I format. Timestamp format defaults to CP56 time 2A, not editable. Users can set to allow only some IPs to modify the values of DO and AO in IEC 104 by choosing any IP or entering any IP. When checking checkbox, do not limit the changes. When unchecked, only allow IP in the list below to modify DO and AO value. DO and AO values are not allowed to modify when the list below is empty. At the bottom of the interface is the tag corresponding table, including DI, AI, counter, DO, AO 5 types of data tags, in which tag name is the name of the tag created in the utility. Value type is the numeric type of the variable. Public address is the public address to which the variable belongs should be filled with the same value as the device address. Point number is the corresponding variable number. Change is which variable is greater than this percentage when uploaded to the server. SOE is the records the time at which the failure occurred and the type of event. After the adding the desired tag, save the project and upload to Gateway. Thank you for watching.